done. We did it. It's complete.
Where do we want to go when it's all
You just finished the 514 interchange. Where are you gonna go?
Six Flags.
No! Magic Mountain! Magic Mountain!
Well, speaking about the earthquake, tonight, after 10 months and $250 million, the work of rebuilding the Southland's quake-damaged freeways is finally finished. The final segment of the interchange connecting Highway 5, the southbound Golden State Freeway, with Highway 14, the Antelope Valley Freeway, is once again carrying traffic. Governor Pete Wilson, together with Caltrans and federal highway officials, cut the red ribbon to officially reopen the freeway connector. The interchange is the last of 7 major freeway structures to be fully repaired since January's earthquake. Working under a $24 million incentive system, contractors rebuilt every quake-damaged freeway within 291 days. It was a task, the governor said, that could easily have taken a matter of years.
Visible and realistic demonstration that this is true that I think that you could ask for. And you've done it time and again. Just a hell of a job. Congratulations.